Now we will learn lesson number 3, number series. Exercise number 3.1. Find a number which replaces the question mark. Like that question they ask in this chapter. Question number 1, 12, 15, 18, 21. Then after which number will we come? They gives 4 options. So we have to find out what logic will be 12, 15, 18, 21 between them. So we write down the numbers first. Then if we observe this series, we get notice that 12 plus 3 15, 15 plus 3 18, 18 plus 3 21. So that 21 plus 3 is 24, which is comes in the option number 1. The next number in the series is greater by 3, hence the answer is 24. Option number 1. In this question, we write down the first number. If we observe this, we find out that the alternate number, here they ask us after 12 which number comes. So if we observe 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 2 12, and then 12 plus 2 14. But they ask after 12 which number comes. So we go to the next number 5, then alternate number 9, then 13. So that 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 4 13, and 13 plus 4 17. The number at the even places, it is a one place, first place, so that odd place. It is on second place, that is even place. So that 5, 9, 13 and 17 comes on even places. Form a series 5, 9, 13, and what comes in the next. The numbers increases by 4 in this series, so that the answer is 17. Option number 3. In this question, if we observe this series, all the numerators are same and denominators are increasing by 2. So that our next number is, numerator is 2 and denominator will be get 11. So that our answer is 2 upon 11, option number 4. In this question, they give us the Roman numbers and what they ask after 13 what comes. So that we write down the values of that Roman numbers. I is equal 1, B is equal 5, Ix is equal 9, and X 3 plus is 13. And find out the relations between these. 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 4, 17. And 17 we write in Roman number is XVI. So that option number 2 is our answer. In the next question, we find out what is the relationship between 3, 6, 6, 10, 15, and then what the number comes. So that if we observe this, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10 comes, 10 plus 5 15 comes. Means if we observe a consecutive number, we added each time, that is 3 plus 4 plus 5, then we add plus 6. So that 15 plus 6 we get 21. That is option number 3 is our answer. In this question, if we observe relationship between these, we get that 114 minus 29 we get 85, 85 minus 23 62, 62 minus 19 43, 43 minus 17 we get 26, and 26 minus 13 we get 13. And if the numbers decreases by the values of 29, 23, 19, 17 and 13, In and what is this relation between this number which we deduct? That is are the prime numbers in decreasing order. That is 29, 23, 19, 17, and 13. So that our answer will be, here we get 43 minus 17, which will get 26. And if we uh, minus next prime number in decreasing order 13, we get this 13. So that our 26 answer is correct, which comes in the option number 1. Now in this question, if we observe this, each and every time we deduct minus 6 from each number. So that 75 minus 6 we get 69, which comes in the option number 3. In this series, if we observe it, we find out that these numbers are 31, 37, 41 and 43 are consecutive prime numbers. So that after 43, next prime number is 47, which comes in the option number 4. In the next question, if we observe this series, 10 to the 20, 20 to the 40, 40 to the 80, then 80 to the 160. So that 160 comes in the option number 4. If we observe this, 64 is the square of 8, 81 is the square of 9, 100 is the square of 10, 121 is square of 11. And if we observe 8, it is a consecutive number. 8, 9, 10, 11, then here comes the square of 12. That is 144, which comes in the option number 1. Now, if we observe this series, we find out that numerator will be increasing by 1 and denominator will be decreasing by 1. So that here 8 plus 1 we get 9 and 4 minus 1 we get 3. So that 9 upon 3 comes on the option number 3. In this series, if we observe it, we find out that it's 4, then next number is 8, and next number is 12, and next number is 20. How did it come? This 12 comes this number and this number. 8 plus 4 means in this number we add this 4 so that we get 12. And in this 12 we add this 8 so that we get 20. So in 20 we add this 12 so that we get 32. So that option number 2 is our answer. In this series, if we observe that, how comes 19, then how comes 29, how comes 40, how comes 44, then how comes 52, and then how comes 59, and then what will come in the question mark. So if we observe 14 plus 5, 19, and how this 5 comes, that is 4 plus 1, 5. Now if we add 10 to 19, we get 29. And how this 10 comes, that is 9 plus 1, 10. In this, we add 11. How does 11 comes? 2 plus 9, 11. So that 29 plus 11, we get 40. In 40, we add plus 4, so that we get 44. And how this 4 comes? 4 plus 0. 4 plus 0, 4. In this 44, we add 8. So we get 52. And how this 8 comes? That is 4 plus 4. Now in 52, we add plus 7. How the 7 comes? 5 plus 2, 7. So, and 52 plus 7 is 59. Now in 59 we add 14. How this 14 comes? 5 plus 9, 14. And 59 plus 14 we get 73, which comes on the option number 4. Now if we observe this series, we find out that 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 5 15. Then what we add this? We add 7. Why we add this 7? It is a series of which we add the numbers is the series of consecutive successive prime numbers. That is 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, and after 5 7 is a prime number. So we add 7 to the 15 and we get 22, and 22 comes in the option number 1. If we observe this series, what we observed? 16 9s are 144, 16 8s are 128, 16 7s are 120, 16 6s are 96. Then we get 16 5s are 80, as we write this table in decreasing order of 16. So 80 comes on the option number 2. If we observe this series, the 10th place will be increasing by 1 and unit place will be decreasing by 1. So that in 10th place 6 plus 1 7 and 5 minus 1 4. So that we get the 74, and 74 comes in the option number 3. So my dear friends, you have the homework. You will have to solve the questions from 11 to 35 from exercise number 3.1. Thank you so much and welcome tomorrow.